Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Acura MDX transmission fluid. First, park your MDX on a completely level surface. Next, drive your vehicle for about 15 minutes to bring the engine and transmission to their normal operating temperature. Finally, locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is typically a bright yellow or red handle, usually found near the engine. Now let's check the fluid. After your MDX has reached normal operating temperature, turn the engine off. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds for the transmission fluid to settle. Then, remove the dipstick, wipe it completely clean with a lint-free cloth, and reinsert it all the way. Pull it out one more time to get your accurate reading. When you examine the dipstick, the fluid level should fall precisely between the upper and lower hot marks. If it's below the lower mark, you'll need to add fluid. Be careful not to overfill, as too much fluid can cause foaming and potentially damage your transmission. Also, observe the fluid's color and smell for any signs of burning or contamination. If you need to add fluid, always use the specific type recommended by Acura for your MDX model. Pour it slowly through the dipstick tube using a clean funnel. Add a small amount, then recheck the level, adding more gradually until it reaches the correct mark. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact fluid specifications and capacity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.